Hey guys, so we're off to Qatar for the next week. Join me in this journey as we talk more about stocks, answer your requests, and just give you a holistic view on what's happening in the market as well. Guys, it's such a long line. Oh my gosh, I don't know how long will this take. The line's a bit long, so I think I'm not even inside immigration yet. I've been here for around 30 minutes now, but yeah, you have to slug it out and wait until I get in. And then kudos also, by the way, I don't know how to react about this. So I've been a long time Laker fan. LeBron transferred to the Lakers, so let's see how that will transpire and if they will actually win. No, as you all know, the Western Conference is pretty much stacked up and very strong over the past few months. Will that be enough to beat the Houston Rockets and also the Golden State Warriors as well? Quick update on the markets. We are slightly down. As I mentioned in the previous videos that I created, that we have a resistance at around 7,200. The closer we are to 7.2, expect more selling. So as of the first 1 hour and a half of trading, the market hasn't really broken out of 7.2. So that's something to watch out for. That's a prevailing storyline that I think we will have to follow. That we need to see the market go above 7.2 for it to have a shot to at least progress further over the next few weeks and months. Hey guys, finally made it. Spent over almost 2 hours just in immigration alone. I think they have to change the way they do immigration here because it's a bit slow. Just 2 hours, man, just for immigration. But let's go. I'll try to see if I can get some food. But if not, I'm going to the plane. See you guys. Made it. Almost got left by my flight. No chance for food, but it's all good. It's okay.
Enjoy your flight.
Thank you. Oh, hello. What's the biggest expense that you normally have?
Biggest expense for me to travel a lot.
Shopping.
Shopping? Talaga?
Shopping and tour.
Tour? Pero you get to save pa rin.
Yes, of course.
How
In the first 3 years flying in international,
Okay.
you can save.
Oh, you can see kasi you have to tour kahit napagod
Also, naka-planner ka sa mga shopping.
How long have you been traveling, flying?
Maybe
12 years, wow! You all look good, look young pa.
Thank you.
Biggest temptation every time you go out ng expense, food or bags?
More on gamit.
Bags,
Electronics.
Gadgets, yes.
Okay, that's it. Bye-bye.
Thank you, sir. Stay here. Thank you very much.
Thank you.
Touchdown, Qatar! Nice to be back. It's nice to be back. It's nice to be in. I think, guys, this is one of my favorite airports also, aside from Dubai, Hong Kong, and Changi in Singapore. For me, the Hamad Airport here in Doha is one of the, I could say, amazingly built airports around the world as well. So I'm excited to be here. I'm excited to be part again of AFP and Stock Smarts. So if you're from the area and you haven't heard about it, that we're gonna be here for the next few days up until I think Sunday next week. So if you guys want to learn more about stocks, I hope to see you there. And here's the thing, I hope for those tracking the markets, I was checking my stocks as we started to land. The market closed above 7.2, which is good, which further enhances the bullish sentiment that we have for people who are tracking the PSEI as a whole. No, because you have to understand this, the breakout from 7.2 could give us a shot at around 7.4, 7.5 over the short term. So interesting days ahead. let's just see how sustainable this is. Let's just see how strong this could possibly be in the next few days and weeks as well. You have to remember, we need more foreign buying to make this more sustainable, and not just sustainable, but we need a continuation of the buying spree. I'll give you an update when I get to see my charts at a more detailed level as to where the reversal points are and what are the oscillators and indicators saying as compared to the charts as a whole.
Hello, sir.
Hello, friend.
Nabutan ka rin.
Oo nga eh. I called my wife pa eh.
Oh, really?
Oo, yeah.
Lapit ka lang dito, sir.
I know, I'm from Manila. I'm from Manila.
Ay, bakasyon ka lang?
They invited me to speak for a conference here. Please subscribe. Subscribe, please subscribe.
Follow the link here.
Oo. Parang awan nyo na. I think I have 5 followers. So, mamakawa na.
Sobrang ka naman.
Oo.
Hi to my followers, to the 5 followers.
Welcome to Qatar! Thank you. Thank you. Pangalan ninyo para para
Just call me June na lang po.
June. Oh. Ano naman ang natin? Ano naman ang storya ng buhay natin, June? Ba't tayo napadpad dito sa Qatar?
Para po sa family.
Para sa
as
family.
usual.
Ba? So nasa Pilipinas sila or kasama mo sila?
Sa Pilipinas po yung parents ko. Pero yung misis ko po nasa Hong Kong.
Sa Hong Kong. So parang OFW to sa OFW din,
Opo,
parang gano'n.
Yes po. Kailangan magtulungan po eh.
Pero paano nyo napagsasabay nyo pa yung bakasyon ninyo? Paano kayo kikita?
Bali po pag inaantay niya lang po yung aking schedule ng bakasyon. Siya po kasi madali naman kung kumuha ng ticket. As soon as possible, nabibigyan siya.
Okay.
Hindi katulad dito, medyo
Saka malayo din, mahal ticket din. Oo. Oo. So, oo nga no. Pero malaking sacrifice ba 'yon? May anak na kayo.
Sa ngayon wala pa po eh.
So parang nag-ipon kayo pa. Matagal na kayong kasal. Di pa
2013 po.
2013. Wow. Pero anong plano niyo? Balik sa Pilipinas? Punta siya dito? Punta ka sa Hong Kong?
Balak ko pumunta na Hong Kong.
Okay.
Baka pala rin ako.
Transfer ka dito? Ito na yung job mo or may iba kang company?
Ako ng Saudi.
Saudi na rin.
Oo.
Ilan years ka sa Saudi?
4 po.
4 na taon?
Oo.
Paano kayo nakita ng wife mo kung Hong Kong siya tapos Saudi ka tapos...
Bali, nasa Korea ako nung magkakilala kami.
Korea din! Ang dami mo napuntahan na.
Paborot na po talaga, nasanay na eh.
Ilan taon na kayo, sir?
40 na po.
So, mga ilan taon ka na nasa abroad?
Ay, matagal na po. Siguro, may 15 years meron ako.
15 years, wow!
Meron ako. Ayun, nakapagpundar din, nakapagparang ng kapatid.
Okay. Pero hindi naman pati anak ng kapatid. Hindi naman.
Hindi naman po.
Okay.
Sa family, yan.
Pero okay naman ipon pag nandito or yung iba kasi
Okay naman po.
ibang Pinoy kasi naging glamoroso yung buhay.
Opo. Mahirap po yun, nakatungangan ka pag uwi mo.
Galing.
Ako, katulad ngayon, ako nag-iipon talaga ako kasi naranasan ko na yung yung buhay sa abroad dati. Hindi ako marunong mag-ipon. Ay ngayon, alam ko na.
Anong country kayo hindi marunong mag-ipon dati?
Nung nasa Korea ako, gastos ako ng gastos eh. Kasi malaki yung sahod ko. Wala, hindi ko binata ako, hindi ko iniisip yung bukas.
Masarap nga lang din, medyo sa Korea, masarap nga lang umikot-ikot doon kasi
Oo.
Kasi
Ang kalaban ng Pinoy naman doon, yung lamig talaga.
Malamig nga mas. Pero sarap din, mas pag makapal na yung suot, okay na rin.
Oo. Pero minsan talaga pag nagne-negative 17,
Sa Seoul ba kayo or ano?
ano po ako, sa gitna po ako ng Korea, South Korea, sa Sanjusi.
Sanjusi.
Yung bulubundukin po yun, 30 minutes ang biyahe mo papuntang bayan.
Ano naging turning point? Bakit nag-ipon ka na? Bakit mo nagustuhan mag-ipon? Napag-decide na mag-ipon?
May asawa na ako eh. Dati nung binata ako, sige lang. Baga sa Arabic, kaliwali.
Tapos nung nagkasawa, doon nagbago yung priority mo?
Nung nag-asawa ko, hindi ko naman pwedeng kunin na sa mother ko yung sa mga magulang ko yung binigay ko sa kanilang bahay. Kumuha kami ni Mrs. ng sarili namin.
Okay.
Ayun yung ngayon, yun yung hinughulugan naming dalawa.
Yan yung sa Santa Rosa.
Ako sa Santa Rosa. Tapos nagsisave ako ng pera.
Okay.
Para just in case na umuwi, kung may gustong bilhin, mabibili mo.
Okay lang.
Oo. Hindi ka nagtatago sa bahay mo kasi wala ka ng panggastos eh.
Okay. Pero,
Ay naranasan ko yun, kaya ayaw ko nang maulit.
galing.
Mahirap po yung ano na ano.
Kasi madami mga Pilipino abroad parang parang napapagastos ng malakas tapos di na nakaipon.
Oo. Lalo nababalitaan ko nga po sa parting Dubai.
Lalo na doon, grabe doon.
Talagang sabi, yung terminong talamak.
Oo.
Talamak daw po talaga ang mga ano doon, yung mga ano to, yung mga bahay-aliwan, yung mga ganun, inuman.
Oo nga.
Ay, dito po, makakapagpigil ka sa sarili mo eh. Ngayon, nasasaya na lang din kung ano, kung matutokso ka sa mga bagay na yan. Pero, isipin mo na yung pamilya eh, mahirap po. Bata tayo. Hindi habang panahon na nandito tayo sa abroad. Darating yung panahon na uuwi tayo sa bansa natin, kailangan natin mag-ipon. Kasi mag-iisip din tayo na kung ano yung pwede natin pagkakitaan sa Pilipinas. Hindi yung puro abroad na lang tayo.
Galing.
So, kasi po pag dating ng panahon na matanda na tayo, hindi na tayo tatanggapin sa abroad. Hindi na tayo makakapagtrabaho. Kaya kailangan mag-ipon tayo ang negosyo natin kahit maliit.
Galing.
Good evening, sir. Welcome to City Center Rochana.
Yeah.
Enjoy your stay.
Thank you. From Nepal. Oh. Yeah, Everest. Yeah.
I climbed up 18,000
Oh, you
feet.
did?
Yes, I did in 1984.
Oh, wow.
Were you here in this world?
1984, yes, already here.
Okay.
How long have you been in Doha?
Yeah, Doha 3 years.
3 years.
Yes.
Did you go to other country before Doha?
Yes, I was in Abu Dhabi 12 years.
Oh.
And then after USA, been.
Oh, what do you like more, Abu Dhabi or
Abu
Doha?
Dhabi is the best in the world.
Thank you.
Welcome to your room.
Oh, thank you.
So now,
Hey guys, so I just got to my room. Gonna dress for a bit, then change because I have dinner with our Filipino organizers here in Qatar as well. So this is how I normally do my trading plan every time I'm in my travels. No, so it's past midnight in Manila. When I get back from the dinners, that's when I study my charts so that I get ready and prepared for the trading day tomorrow. So that's how it is. You don't get to be limited by, I guess, time, because what's nice about online trading is you get to do it at your own terms. What's nice about technical analysis is you get to do it also at the comforts of how you want to do it as well, and that's what stock trading is. I really believe that if done well and done right, you can do it even if you're traveling, even if you're busy. That it's not a matter of time, but it's a matter of how you create the charts and your strategy based on how you want to do it as well. So that's it for now. I hope I'll show you more of my day as well as how I go about it and how we meet more and more Filipinos in this trip as well. So that's how my day went. It's my first day here in Doha, Qatar. I'm excited for the next few days as we get to talk to our kababayans here about trading and investing and also financial planning as well, because that's what we need. We need to raise a new generation of Filipinos who will take a stand of financial freedom, who will change the narrative. It's not anymore about just consuming. It's not anymore about the best car that you can ever buy, but it's all about you also taking control of your finances, that you don't have to be where you are, that 10 years from now, 20 years from now, you will be better off. Your family will be better off because you prepared, because you saved, because you invested your time, and not just your time, but also your effort to hit your goals of financial freedom. Please remember this: nothing of significance happens if you don't put the work into it, if you're lazy. If significant things happen also when you put the time to plow. Everything that becomes big starts from something that's very, 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 very small, and that's what you have here. You have something that you can plant, something that you can invest, and you can just let time push it and make it grow for the long term. You have to remember this: don't waste your time. Your time is limited. What you have right now is a seed for you that you can use to make your money grow for the long term. as what I mentioned in the earlier part of the video, the market is above 7,200. However, as I looked at the oscillators before I went to my dinner break, a majority of them still needs a couple of confirmation signals yet before we can warrant a full reversal. We still also need to break out even from the short-term moving averages. Those are very, very important indicators to look at. Again, we must not forecast or predict where the market is going. We just have to base it on what the charts are telling us if you are a technician, or what the value is telling us if you are a fundamental person as well. So that's it for now. Marvin Germo from Doha, Qatar. It's 5 a.m. Manila time. It's midnight here in Qatar, but I'll never stop doing what I'm doing because I just love it. I'm gonna study pa for my detailed charts for tomorrow's trade and also for the seminars here as well. But that's the thing, if you do what you love, you will never work a single day in your life. So the passion is amazing. Find what you are passionate about and you will never work a single day in your life. Passion, 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 passion. Because this doesn't feel like work to me. It's midnight na. But I'll study the charts not because I need to, but because I want to. Because it's something that keeps me alive. It's something that's so amazing. It's something that I'll do over and over and over again, even when I get old. So that's it for now. I hope this video helps you trade well, trade strong, trade smart. To all of our kababayans here in Doha, Qatar, see you in the next few days. God bless you. Ngayon, oo. Alam mo ba mataas ang remittances ngayon, ha? 10 billion for April. We're on track to 30 billion. Oh.
Kasi mataas yung rate.
Baba nga ngayon, 14.59.
Wow. Maraming salamat sa maraming salamat sa padala. Maraming salamat. Padala. Guys, ito yung nagpapalaki ng dollar remittances natin, guys. Ito 'yon. Bawat padala, lumalakas yung consumption driven economy natin, sir. We're with one of the best pursers in Pal.
No. Thank you. No.
Thank you.
What are your names?
I'm Ronnie.
Ronnie and Arman. Okay.